Welcome, it's Chef Primo. This is my kitchen. Just to introduce myself to you guys, my name is Primo. I've been cooking for about 20 years. 1 year on my own as a professional, personal chef. I have a love for cooking. I have a passion for seeing people happy through food. So I put all that love into food. Hopefully, when people eat it, when you guys eat it, you guys feel the love and it makes you happy or take your mind off whatever you're stressing you out. So that's why I'm doing this. And now I'm also doing this to teach you guys some simple techniques on how to cook with love. Primo style. Today we use Cajun season, avocado preserve, hoisin sauce, sesame seed oil, chili sauce, thyme, garlic paste, lime juice, and salt and pepper. All the ingredients for today. Alright, so we're gonna cook some lamb chops. And the way I like to cook lamb chops, you know, you get in the restaurant, it had that fat on it. I don't like that fat, gamey taste, so I came up with this way on how to get that gamey fat taste out. You pretty much gotta trim it all off. Leave some fat on there so when it cooks, it can get into the meat. It won't be dry, but you just wanna cut a lot of it off. You gotta have a sharp knife. Keep trimming and trimming and trimming. Like all this right here, gotta come off. There's no easy way to do it. You just gotta keep practicing until you get a good system going. Can't find my little small knife, so I'm using this. So be careful. Alright, nice clean rack. Cut this little piece off here. Sharp knife come in handy, so when you're cutting the chops off, it's easier to cut. Just throw them in the bowl. Right there. We're gonna marinate it. And then when you get down to the end, just leave it on there. I don't want to cut that in half. Leave that like that. Take some olive oil. Some garlic paste. You can buy some or you can make your own. Just need a blender and some garlic, fresh garlic cloves. And we're gonna take and put some thyme leaf in there. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now you're just gonna mix it up together. You can do it overnight or you can do it for like 30 minutes. This you can just throw in the trash. In between time, we're gonna marinate our tomahawks. Well, not really marinate, just gonna season. It's olive oil and the garlic paste, salt and pepper. Olive oil just for this garlic and the salt and pepper to stick. Let's take some garlic paste. I recommend this for all meats, red meats. Salt and pepper, garlic paste. Just rub it all over. Let it melt. When it cooks here, it just melts right into the meat, along with the salt and pepper. Gloves. Take the salt. Go heavy on the pepper. This is just salt and pepper. Kosher salt, black pepper. 2 parts pepper, 1 part salt. You want to have a lot of pepper. We'll let that sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to pan sear it and go straight to the smoker. Now we're going to take and put these lamb chops, pan sear. While this cooks, we can make some barbecue sauce. Jack Daniel's style. Tabletop reserve. That strong Jack Daniels. And just blend it out a little bit. A little bit of sesame seed oil. Some of this wind. Garlic in there. Lamb's almost done. Use this bowl. All you see now is just the salt and pepper and the garlic cooking, getting into the meat. So we just take this off, just like we did the lamb. Put back in there. Put them all in the smoker. Me, I love steak, so I'm always trying to cook a different steak. And coming up with this, I had to master this. So I came up with a recipe by watching a lot of other people cook and practicing with this recipe here. It's pretty much just salt, pepper, garlic, and finish it on the smoke with some cherry wood. Leave it alone, let it brown a little bit. In the meantime, we made some barbecue sauce from the Jack Daniels. I know I got a gold spoon, but I wasn't born with a gold spoon in my mouth. I just used this for when I did catering. You know, ladies like gold, so they like to eat off of, gold silverware. So we're going to the smoker. We're gonna smoke the tomahawk steaks at 325 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna put the barbecue sauce on there that we made right here. And that consists of making the tomahawk steak. We cooked it. You boil the lamb chops on 550 degrees for 5 minutes on broil on the top rack. Just 5 minutes. Clean all this fat off the lamb, the gamey taste, so it's not chewy. Don't cut your hand like I just almost did. Got it nice and clean. I'm going to just cut down the middle of each one. Just like this. Go in between with a sharp knife. Sometimes you're going to hit that bone. Sharp knife, take care of that. Already. Put some in there. Pull it off. With asparagus, you're going to season the oil with some salt and pepper. A lot of people probably burn up their olive asparagus when they cook them, but the oil gets too hot. The trick is just add more oil to it while it's hot. Turn the stove off, then add your asparagus to it. Olive oil burns real quick. When they start to wither, they're done. Throw a little lime juice in it. Limes make everything happen. Swap it out. Add our lamb chops. Same pan we used before. Alright, so we just pulled this off the smoker. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes just to let it breathe and break down, the heat break down, some veins going through the meat. But you let it sit after you pull it off the smoker. It's real hot right now. Now we're gonna just cut, follow the bone down. All you're gonna do is follow this bone down to the end. Like I said before, if you have a dog, it's perfect for him. And then when you look at it, see the red? This is all from the smoke. It's not blood. This is what happens when you smoke meat. You get a red outer beam like this. And that's what you're looking for. And now we're gonna leave this in here. Put that right here. And you're just gonna slice it so you can eat it. Look at this. That's beautiful. What do you want right there? You got it? So now we got the bone right there. We're gonna put it right next to the bone like it's already a steak. Back to its original form. This is so good, you can suck the fat, if you're real fat like me. Suck the fat, salt, and pepper off of that junk. Take the other one. Exact same thing. Just gonna follow the bone down. This is a medium temperature. Really don't want to do well done on this. It's too hard. You're gonna be chewing forever. I might have still a little piece. Delicioso. What Dora say? Alright, so we got the lamb chops with PRIMO barbecue sauce, asparagus cooked and sauteed, olive oil sauteed with salt and pepper. These are 2 finished products for today's episode. Alright, in showbiz, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us today. We made tomahawk steak, we made lamb chops, we made some PRIMO barbecue sauce, we made some asparagus, PRIMO mac and cheese. Stay tuned for the next time cooking with PRIMO. Peace. I'm gonna enjoy this.